Okay, so boom. Now we got everything that's lining up. You apply for your business license if you need a business license. And now it's time for you to apply for your business bank account. Now, you don't have to wait on the business license to get, sometimes licenses take months. We're gonna keep going. So now it's time for you to go open up your business bank account. I want you to take at least $50 to your bank account. And also, whoever does your LLC, you should have gotten the operational agreement. Sometimes you don't get those, but most of the time you should have an operational agreement. You want to take the operational agreement, your LLC, and your EIN paperwork with you to the bank. Now this is time for you to pick out which bank you want to go to. I'm going to tell you banks that I recommend for myself. Not even I recommend. I'm going to tell you banks that I use for myself and some that I've heard of. And then you do your due diligence and you look for banks. And then also, this is a question for your CPA as well, to ask them what banks do they recommend. I use Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. I also have a Navy Federal. Those are some of the banks I've used. They're good banks to me. I use those banks. I've heard about PenFed, any credit unions. You can just use any bank that you want to use, but those are the banks that I've used. But we'll have resources below for you to go ahead and reach out to CPAs or tax accountants or anybody that you would like to reach out to help you to determine which banks that they use or which banks they recommend using for their QuickBooks or anything that they do. So you'll have resources. But just make sure you get your bank account open. And once you get your bank account open, go ahead and go to the next step. Bye.